everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common question about Sonos: how to downgrade your system from Sonos S2 back to Sonos S1. Many of you might have older Sonos devices that only work with the S1 app, or perhaps you prefer the S1 interface, and you're wondering if you can revert your newer S2 compatible speakers. Let's get straight into understanding this process. First, it's very important to clarify a key point. For most Sonos speakers that are compatible with S2, once they have been updated to S2 firmware, they generally cannot be downgraded back to S1. Sonos S1 is primarily for older, legacy Sonos devices that are not compatible with S2 at all. So, if you have a Play 1, Play 3, Play Bar, or other S2 compatible speakers that are currently running S2, you cannot force them back to S1. The S1 app will not recognize them as S1 compatible if they are already on S2 firmware. The downgrade process we're discussing is really about setting up an S1 system if you have S1 only devices or if you want to run an entirely separate S1 system for your older components. Let's break down the steps for creating or reverting to an S1 system if you have those legacy S1 only devices. Step 1 is to identify your S1 only devices. These typically include the original Connect amp, Connect, Play 5 Gen 1, ZP80, ZP90, ZP100, and ZP120. You can check the Sonos website for a full compatibility list to be sure. Step 2. For all Sonos speakers you intend to use on your S1 system, you must perform a factory reset. This clears all previous settings and firmware information, preparing them for a fresh setup. Step 3. Uninstall the Sonos S2 Controller app from your phone, tablet, or computer. It's crucial to remove the S2 app to avoid conflicts. Step 4. Download and install the correct Sonos S1 Controller app. You can find this in your device's app store or directly from the Sonos website. Step 5. Open the S1 app and choose the option to set up a new system. Do not try to connect to an existing S2 system. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts within the S1 app to add your factory reset S1 only speakers one by one. They will connect to your new S1 system and run the appropriate S1 firmware. An important consideration here is that you cannot mix S1 only and S2 compatible speakers on the same Sonos system. If you have both types of devices, you will need to run two completely separate Sonos systems, each with its own app, or consider upgrading your S1 only devices through Sonos's trade-up program if you want everything on a single S2 system. This process ensures your S1 only devices can continue to function. Thank you so much for watching and for spending your time with me today. If this video helped you understand the nuances of Sonos S1 and S2 compatibility, please hit that like button, leave a comment below with any questions, share this video with others who might find it useful, and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips. See you next time.